When you visit Shirdi, try to go with the feeling and the knowing that you're actually going to meet Baba there in person. He's waiting for you in Dwarka Mai and you're going to take his blessings. Go with that feeling of love and reverence. Baba has said in his sacred text Sai Satcharitra that he hasn't left his body and he is still there for the millions of devotees who love him and who wish to see him and experience him. He has also talked about when you look at his idol or you look at his picture or a painting, you're actually looking at him. He is present there. People wonder why go to Shirdi when Baba is everywhere. That's a fact. Baba is deep within us. He's in our hearts. He's all around us. He's existence. He's the universe. So yes, he's a part of us on a moment-to-moment basis. But Shirdi is special because Baba lived there for 60 years. So the vibration of that place is special. His samadhi is there. So all of us really long to go there, That's why Shirdi has a special significance. When you're walking in the temple complex, walk in that vibration of love, walk in that vibration of centeredness and calmness, which is basically Baba's energy. That will help you to connect with him. That will help you to stay in that state of centeredness when you are there. It will also help you to feel a sense of love, when you look at all the devotees who have as much dedication as you, who have come from so far away to meet him, you feel a sense of love for them. So that's what I mean by flowing in Baba's vibration. Do not look for external miracles when you go to Shirdi. That will keep you in a state of expectation and it will keep you away from the present moment where the real miracles lie. What is a miracle? A miracle is a state of mind. It's how you look at something. Being in Baba's energy is a miracle. Soaking in his love, in his frequency is a miracle. Visiting Shirdi is a miracle. Receiving someone's love and blessings is a miracle. Why look for it outside? Plan a trip by yourself when you go to Shirdi, as it will give you a one-on-one connection with Baba, a one-on-one me time with Baba. Otherwise, you can go with somebody with whom you share a similar wavelength so that you can get some space by yourself. It is not us who plan and decide to go to Shirdi. It is Baba who calls us. Jai Sai Baba.